My day started out as usual, where I was watching the stocks. As you know, I've mentioned that I have been getting into day trading. I'm still learning, I'm still playing with paper money. And even with paper money, I'm cautious. I don't want to blow up that account. And I was looking for a trade. I was looking, can I jump in somewhere and make a profit? There was potential, but it just did not quite set up properly. So after about an hour, I just kind of closed up shop and went on about my day. Okay, we are on the road. It is 11:30 a.m. I just got this order. I sat at home for a little bit, trying to make a deal on a computer that will run the actual desktop version of Ninja Trader instead of me having to use the web version. But it's only $11. There's no tip on this, but it's one item, a jar of spaghetti sauce, and the mileage is low. Knock this out in 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Get a couple of these per hour, and I'm cooking, you know? So let's go pick this up.
That's probably a small brand. Probably just got it. Right? Well, if they have it up there, maybe
We secured it. I entered the store at 11:32 and it is 11:34. I have left the store. Let's go. This is only going to be like 7 or 8 minute drive. Here's the funny thing. How much this jar of spaghetti cost versus how much this customer is paying for the delivery. I mean, seriously. Easier to just go and drive and get it. Because there's delivery fees for anything under, I think it's under $35. If your order's under $35, you got like a $10 delivery fee. So how much is this person paying for this jar of spaghetti sauce? Both bags. Okay, thank you. That last drop off, I couldn't record. Older gentleman that lives there, he was home, sitting on his porch when I was delivering the groceries. Very nice gentleman. And he's active. He cut his own grass, did his hedges, but then he also had a cane. He says he's turning 96 next month, which is incredible. He's waiting on his daughter. His daughter has the same car as me, and he thought that I was her. And then he was about ready to say, when did you dye your hair blonde? Anyhow, we're off to the next delivery. And my shopping cart that I bought on Amazon really came in handy. First 2 hours, I am just under 50 bucks. So, not too shabby. First hour I did like 21-ish. Second hour I did 27. So it's $48 in 2 hours. Yep. Really bad decision here. Didn't know that 70 was this backed up. I mean, it's a traffic jam. Right lane closed 1 mile. Motherfucker. Okay. Tractor trailer behind me is letting me in. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you. Okay, we got this offer now. $18.52 for 8.3 miles, estimated to take 30 minutes. It's only 5 items. It should take me like 5 minutes to go shop this. So, I'm gonna start a trip. We're gonna go over here and we're gonna go grab this order.
She's laced and ready, card in her grip, hands rock steady, phone light glowing, orders rolling in, she grins, let's go, time to win, pushing past pallets, sidestepping signs, knows every aisle like dotted lines, frozen foods to aisle 13, Grandma Dash is running this scene, she's whipping through Walmart, boots on the ground, car flying fast, hear that rolling sound, checking her list, grabbing with flair, tossing in deals like she don't care, swipe that card, hear the scanner sing, she's a checkout queen on a dash and swing. Dodging them stock boys, racing that clock. She's got rhythm in her step and purpose in her walk. Milk, bread, apples, baby wipes, bag them all tight, yeah, she's got stripes. Slide herself, check out, beep, beep, bam. Customers texting, you're fast, ma'am. Smile on her face, pride in her lane. That's Grandma Dash, her in full speed frame. She's whipping through Walmart, boots on the ground, car flying fast, hear that rolling sound, checking a list, grabbing with flair, tossing in deals like she don't care, swipe that card, hear the scanner sing, she's a checkout.
It ended up taking me 10 minutes to shop and check out because I had hiccups with the shrimp, hiccups with the tomatoes, and the Old Bay with needing to do substitutions. Okay, it took me 10 minutes to shop. Customers is 17 minutes away. So, half an hour to do this order. Right now I'm gonna head towards home. DoorDash is like totally dead right now, and besides that, I've got to cut grass. It's in the middle of the afternoon. I mean, unless something pops off on Spark or Instacart or something, Uber Eats. Then I'm done for the afternoon. I plan on going out later on. I don't know if it's going to be necessarily dinner, but I seem to do decent after 5 o'clock or even after 6 o'clock sometimes. Sometimes just late dinner, 7 o'clock. I've noticed that I've done half decent. So I am going to go, I plan on going back out later. Been a very good lunch shift actually. And this is Thursday. Thursdays are hit or miss. You never know what you're going to get. It's like that box of chocolates, you know? Okay, I will see you in a bit. A week's worth of growth. And if you look, I don't know if you remember, well, from previous videos, this whole area was just nothing but mud. I got some grass growing up again, thank God. But it's more to cut. Before, just like half of this, all of this was just pure dirt. Well, let's let the animals out. And I literally mean animals. They're gonna fly out this door. Here they come. Then we have the canine conference.
Sun comes up, mower starts to roar. Just cut it last week, now it's back for more. Front yard back.
One eternity later.
So this delivery is going to require a pin. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to record or not. Depends on parking situation when I get to the customer. Customer's 13 minutes away. This next order is barely $1 per mile. However, the only reason why I took it, it's a positioning offer, and I was going right past the Wingstop anyhow. So, if it wasn't for that, you know, it would probably be $2 per mile. You're welcome. Hello. I got a DoorDash for Louise. Thank you.
Yours is almost done.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good day. point, I decided to call it a night. Not that there was a lack of orders. Let me adjust you for a second. There was a lack of good orders. I didn't even make it a full 2 hours, and I said, that's it. I'm going home. But overall, the day really wasn't that bad. And I did decide that I wanted some ice cream. And I treated myself to some Dairy Queen. Then I'm going to go home to my pups. And we will go over the numbers. The results of today's shift really surprised me. I did better than what I thought I did once I crushed the numbers. So today on Walmart Spark, I made $38.91. On Uber Eats, $38.38. And DoorDash, $28.25. They were all neck and neck with each other. But of course, the clear winner for today was Walmart Spark. And it gave me a grand total of $105.54. I worked 5 hours at a rate of $21.11 per hour. I drove 73 miles at $1.45 per mile. Not a bad day, not a bad shift, despite hiccups. So, let's continue on, and I will see you in the next dash. That's it for this ride. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and check out the next dash adventure. Catch you on the road. Keep on hustling.